Okay, we have a problem. The problem is not the yellowed wall. That's just discoloration of the panels of our old shower that we haven't yet replaced. The problem is my kids used a spray-on colored soap thing that left stains on it, and I need to get this off. I'm gonna go ahead and use this puppy on it and see if we can get rid of these, because a washcloth alone did not take away these colorful, lovely soap stains. Now, because I know you need receipts, this is the often duplicated, never replicated Turbo Scrub 360. We've got your charging compartment right up here, power button right here, and of course we've got different heads to put on this. Let's have at it. It's working! Look at that! Oh, fantastic. You can see where I spun and where I didn't. Let's do the rest. Take a close-up look of where I hit it with the scrubber and where I did not. So I'll have to go back and get these spots that I missed before because they were covered in suds. This is a scratch, you can ignore that. But look at the difference. I mean, no elbow grease whatsoever. Just swipe it along there and it's gone. Whereas these stains remain. And you see how hard these are? That scrubber just makes it completely effortless. So I will be going over the rest of this. It's gonna take me all of 30 seconds to get the rest of this off. This would have taken like an hour of scrubbing. The Turbo Scrubber 360 makes such light work of these otherwise daunting, ridiculous projects. I hope that was helpful.